Okay, so when we're talking interior doors, I know of two different types, but I don't know why you'd use one over another. We have the slab and we have a pre-hung. So tell me a little bit about that.
A pre-hung is a slab that grew up.
Okay, good tip.
No. And yeah, we offer doors only, or referred to as slab doors, or we take the work out of it and we turn it into a pre-hung where we put it in a jamb assembly, set the hinges, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You can take and come into Baird's, buy a slab door, take it home, chisel your hinges out, size the door to the existing opening. If you're working with a bad opening, it's going to be complicated.
Okay.
Where if you go to the next step, order the pre-hung door, leave us do the pre-hanging, and as you've shown this morning, installing a pre-hung door, there's things you have to watch out for,
Yeah.
but a lot of the hard work is done for you. So pros and cons, maybe you're not ready to replace your door jamb and your woodworker casing. Then you can replace that door. We offer machining, but there's still work to be done once you get that door home.
So slab is better if you want to keep your existing casing?
Keep your existing jamb and door casing. A lot of people do it. And really, it's a nice upgrade to a home. But if you're past that point and you're ready to replace some woodwork and your door jambs are beat up, order the pre-hung.